Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HD Orion. We are studying Accounting for Partnership Firms from T.S. Gerewal. Chapter 4, Change in Profit Sharing Ratio Among Existing Partners. Today we will discuss Adjustment of Capital. So let us see question number 28. Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari were partners in a firm sharing profits of 4:3:2:1. On 1st April 2016, their balance sheet was as follows. Balance sheet is given here, capital and workmen compensation reserve is also given. To the asset side, fixed assets and current assets are given. Now, from the above date, the partners decided to share the future profits in the ratio of 1:2:3:4. For this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 1,80,000. The partners also agreed for the following. The claim for workman compensation has been estimated at rupees 1,50,000 and adjust the capital of the partners according to new profit sharing ratio by opening partners current account. We are supposed to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So this is a very simple question, but one thing one should note is that workman compensation reserve is for rupees 1,20,000 but claim is 1,50,000. So 30,000 extra claim is there. So that will make our revaluation account. Workman compensation reserve is a reserve which is made to compensate the worker in case of any disability or in case of any harm which has occurred to workmen. Let us see the solution now. So in the books of a firm, revaluation account, to workman compensation reserve. Because claim is for rupees 1,50,000 and there is a reserve of rupees 1,20,000. So 30,000 is a loss by loss on revaluation. And this will be shared by all the four partners, Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. In their old profit sharing ratio, which is 4:3:2:1, this 30,000. So we will break 30,000 in 4:3:2:1. So for Hari it will be 3,000, then 6,000, then 9,000 and then 12,000. Now we will prepare partners capital account. So before preparing partners capital account, let us calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio of Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. Their old ratio is 4:3:2:1 and their new ratio is 1:2:3:4. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. For Ram, old ratio is 4/10 minus 1/10, that is equal to 3/10. For Mohan, it is equal to 3/10 minus 2/10, that is equal to 1/10. Then Sohan, it is equal to 2/10 minus 3/10, that is equal to minus 1/10. And lastly Hari is equal to 1/10 minus 4/10, that is equal to minus 3/10. So Ram is sacrificing, Mohan is also sacrificing, and these negatives are gain. So this will be used in treatment of goodwill, and the firm's goodwill is rupees 1,80,000. So let us multiply it rupees 1,80,000 for the amount of goodwill to be sacrificed and gained. So we will get here 54,000 for Ram, 18,000 for Mohan, then again 18,000 for Sohan, and 54,000 for Hari. So Ram's capital account will be credited, Mohan also credited, Sohan will be debited, and Hari also debited. So what journal entry will we pass? We will pass Sohan's capital account debited, Hari's capital account debited, to Ram's capital account, and to Mohan's capital account. $18,000, $54,000, then $54,000 and $18,000 being adjustment entry passed. So partners capital account by balance brought down 4,50,000, then 2,50,000 and 2 lakh. Now there is a loss on revaluation, so we will write it here to revaluation account 12,000, 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. Then treatment of goodwill we will write by sundries. It is transferred from Ram and Mohan to Sohan and Hari. So how much is Sohan getting? It is transferred to Ram and Mohan 54,000 and 18,000. So here we will write Sohan and Hari. And to the debit of it we will write two sundries. It is transferred from Ram and Mohan. So 18,000 for deducted from Sohan and 54,000 deducted from Hari. Now we will calculate the closing balance. To balance close down. For Ram, grand total is 4,54,000. And the balancing amount is 4,42,000. For Mohan, the balancing figure is 4,68,000. And the balancing amount is 4,59,000. And for Sohan, grand total is 2,50,000 and the balancing figure is 2,26,000. Lastly for Hari, it is 2 lakh grand total and the balancing figure is 1,43,000. Now we will bring this back down here on the credit side. By balance brought down 4,42,000, 4,59,000, 2,26,000 and 1,43,000. Now to calculate the closing balance, new closing balance, so to balance close down, we will add all these and we will break it in the new profit sharing ratio, which is 1:2:3:4, and we will adjust the balancing figure in the name of to current account. To current account, because the question asks to maintain the balance in current account. So let us calculate it. First we will grand total the opening balances and will distribute it in this ratio, that is 1:2:3:4. Let us see that first. So the current capital balances are, adjustment of capital we are doing. Now the grand total of Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari is 4,42,000, then 4,59,000, then 2,26,000 and 1,43,000, grand total of which is 12,70,000. Now we will break this 12,70,000 to all the four partners. Ram first in the ratio it is 1:2:3:4. So for Ram, 12,70,000 into 1/10, which is equal to 1,27,000. For Mohan, it is 12,70,000 into 2/10, that is equal to 2,54,000. For Sohan, it is 12,70,000 into 3/10, that is equal to 3,81,000. And lastly for Hari, it is 12,70,000 into 4/10, which is equal to 5,08,000. Now these are our closing balances. So we will maintain this in partners capital account. So here we will write 1,27,000 and then 2,54,000, then 3,81,000 and 5,08,000. Now we will balance it. So here we will get 4,42,000 minus 1,27,000 will give us 3,15,000. For Mohan, grand total is 4,59,000. It's all credit balance both. So the balancing figure we will get is 2,05,000. But for Sohan and Hari we will get a debit balance because it is 2,81,000 here and here it is 2,26,000. So grand total is 3,81,000 and the balancing figure is 1,55,000. Same is for Hari, there will be a debit balance, so 5,08,000 and the balancing figure is 3,65,000. So this is the partners capital account, and now we will show this balances in the balance sheet. Now let us see the balance sheet. First, capital of Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. The closing capital we will write 1,27,000 then 2,54,000, then 3,81,000, and lastly 5,08,000. Grand total of which is 12,70,000. Now comes current account. Current account of Ram is 3,15,000, and of Mohan is 2,05,000. It is 5,20,000. Then workman compensation reserve is to be maintained for 1,50,000 because there is a claim for this. Now coming to the asset side, fixed assets, no change, 9 lakh, and current asset, no change. So grand total we will make, but current account is also there. Current account of Sohan and Hari, 1,55,000 Sohan and 3,65,000 Hari. Grand total of which is 5,20,000. Now we will make grand total 19,40,000. So that is the solution. Now let us see question number 29. Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh and Ganesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:3:3. On 1st April 2016, their balance sheet was as follows. So this is the balance sheet given. Liabilities side, all the capital balances, sundry creditors and workman compensation reserve is there. And to the asset side, we have fixed assets and current assets. Now some adjustments are also given. Let us see that. From the above date, the partners decided to share future profits equally, that is 1:1:1:1:1. For this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was valued rupees 90,000. It was also agreed that claim against workmen compensation reserve will be estimated at rupees 1 lakh and fixed assets will be depreciated by 10%. And the capitals of all the partners will be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. For this, necessary cash will be brought or paid by the partners as the case may be. So here we find that workman compensation reserve is only 75,000, whereas claim is rupees 1 lakh. So 25,000 will be maintained through revaluation account, and depreciation will also be in revaluation account. And partners capital account is to be maintained in new profit sharing ratio, that is 1:1:1:1, and the balancing amount is to be maintained through cash account, opening a cash account. In the previous question number 28, we maintained this through opening a current account, not cash account. When it is straightforward given in the question, then we have to do accordingly. So goodwill is also there. So for the treatment of goodwill, we will first calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio of the partners. Let us do that first. When we take LCM is 20. So 20 divided by 10 is 2, multiplied by 2 is 2, 4, and then it is 5. Minus 1 by 20 for Suresh. Then Ramesh, again 2 by 10 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 4 minus 5 by 20, that is equal to minus 1 by 20. Then for Mahesh is equal to 3 by 10 minus 1 by 4, LCM is 20. Then 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1 by 20. And Ganesh is equal to 3 by 10 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 6, minus 5 by 20, that is equal to 1 by 20. Because Suresh and Mahesh are minus, negative, and therefore they are gaining. Whereas Mahesh and Ganesh are sacrificing. So the value of goodwill is given in the question 90,000. We will multiply it by 90,000. For treatment of goodwill. So we will arrive at an amount which is to be debited or credited to the respective capital account. 4,500 for all, but 2 accounts will be debited and 2 accounts will be credited. Now let us see the capital accounts, revaluation account. So revaluation account, workman compensation claim. So to workman compensation claim. The claim is for 1 lakh, so 25,000 extra. Then it says that fixed assets will be depreciated by 10%. So 2 fixed assets. Fixed assets are for rupees 6 lakh and 10% of which is 60,000. And what else? Nothing. So it is by loss. By loss on revaluation will be distributed to all the partners in their old ratio, 2:2:3:3. Which are those partners? Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh and Ganesh. It will be 17,000 because the answer is 85,000. So 17,000 for first 2 partners and 25,500 for the remaining partners. Now let us see the partners capital account. So let us see the partners capital account. By balance brought down 1 lakh, 1,50,000, then 2 lakh and 2,50,000. Now revaluation, there is a loss, so to revaluation account, and the loss on revaluation is 17,000 and 25,500. Now there is a treatment of goodwill. For treatment of goodwill we will write by sundries and from transferring from Suresh and Ramesh. Rupees 4,500. And to this side we will write 2 sundries. We are transferred to Mahesh and Ganesh. 4,500. Now we will calculate the closing balance. So to balance closed down. So for Suresh it is 1 lakh. Here also 1 lakh. So the adjustment figure will be 78,500. And for Ramesh 1,50,000 minus these two, we will get 1,28,500. And here it is for Mahesh, it is 2,04,500 and 2,04,500. So we will get 1,79,000. And for Ganesh it is 2,54,500. Here also 2,54,500. 2,29,000. Now we will bring it down here by balance brought down. 78,500, 1,28,500, 1,79,000 and 2,29,000. We will grand total this and will break it in new ratio, which is 1:1:1:1. So let us see that. Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh and Ganesh. 78,500, 1,28,500, 1,79,000 and 2,29,000. Grand total of which will be 6,15,000. Now we will break it in new ratio, which is 1:1:1:1. So when we divide it by 4, we get 1,53,750 for all the 4 partners. So we will write the closing balance here now. To balance close down in the ratio 1:1:1:1, 153,750. 153,750. Now we will get the balancing figure and that will be maintained in cash account. So for first partner, grand total is 153,750. So the balancing figure here will be 75,250. So it will be maintained by opening cash account. This is the balancing figure. And for the second partner, 153,750, 153,750 and the balancing figure here will be 25,250. Whereas here the grand total will be 179,000 because the credit side is heavy, so credit balance we will get here to cash account. This is the balancing figure. So 179,000 and the balancing figure is 25,250 and here it is 2,29,000, 2,29,000. Here we will get 75,250. So it is clear from here is that cash brought is equal to cash withdrawn. So there will be no difference in the cash balance of the firm. Now let us see the balance sheet. Now the balance sheet. So first we will write capital of all the 4 partners: Suresh, then Ramesh, Mahesh, Ganesh. It is 153,750. Grand total of which is 6,15,000. Now sundry creditors. It is 1,70,000. To the asset side, fixed assets, it is 6 lakh. less depreciation 60,000, 5,40,000, and current asset 3,45,000. Now if we grand total it, we will get 8,85,000. That is the answer. I hope you are studying well and you are understanding the lessons very well. Ask your doubt in the comment section. My next video will be on admission of a partner. So that will be chapter 5 from T.S. Garewal. And please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for watching.